Hey guys, today we are showing you my kitty. Isn't he cute? I love him so much. His name's Snuggle if you want to know what his name is. He is so relaxed right now. Isn't he a little relaxing boy? Please give a big thumbs up if you think he's gorgeous. Isn't he so cute? He's looking at himself. He's like, oh my gosh, is that seriously a cat? Hello. Come on, my little. He's a friendly cat, but at times he can be very naughty. Like, he sometimes eats the food off the floor, but he is sort of like a vacuum cleaner, as another word. And, oh man, and he scratches people like he'd not long just scratched me. He just scratched my finger, but it didn't hurt too bad. Here he is! Do you think he's so cute? Oh, he's just walking away from me. Come on. He's just right there. But please subscribe, comment down below, and ring the bell for notifications for our new videos. Bye.